Hi all, this is Raghavi Venkatesh. Today we are going to see about one of the rare fungal infection, that is mucormycosis. As we all know, we are facing the current pandemic, that is COVID-19, and there is another challenge to India, that is mucormycosis or black fungal infection, which is one of the rare and deadly fungal infection, and this has currently been reported in several states of India. And mostly this is seen in post-COVID patients who have survived COVID are facing a new battle, but doctors tell there's nothing to worry. But there are several questions floating, like what's causing this infection and what is the incident, what's the mortality or morbidity, and most importantly whether it's fatal. And it is said that there are three types of mucormycosis, that is sinonasal mucormycosis, orbital mucormycosis and rhinocerebral mucormycosis, and cases are rising especially in India, and all the above three types are equally dangerous. This black fungal infection is one of the serious and rare fungal infection which is caused by a group of molds that are present freely in the environment, and particularly it is seen on soil, wet surfaces or decayed organic matter. People get infected when they come in contact with this above mode or inhalation of spores that is expelled out by the infected person. And in the past this infection was quite rare and few cases were reported in New Delhi in the last year, but to the rise in the COVID cases and the complications related to the virus, this black fungal infection is taking a surge in country, and currently cases are mostly reported in these states like New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It is important to know who are getting infected by this, and ICMR has said that 4 kinds of people are getting infected. That is those who used steroids during COVID treatment, those who had prolonged stay in the hospital ICU, those with diabetes and history of kidney or heart failure, those who are on medication for major health problems. The infection starts from nose, reaches the jaw and travels to brain, and experts tell that once it reaches the brain it is almost fatal. So it's important to seek medical attention once you come across the symptoms like pain under eyes, one side facial swelling, nasal or sinus congestion, black lesions on nasal bridges, stuffy or bleeding nose, toothache or loosening of teeth, partial loss of vision. So it's time to know how to escape from this infection. So the experts have advised to wear the mask all the times. We have been wearing a mask, it may be N95 or cotton mask, which is used for multiple times. Once we wear it, due to the humidity in our breathing, it gets wet, which we don't feel, and the mask may be used for 3 to 5 days and it becomes the perfect place for the fungus to grow. And while we wear the same mask, we breathe the same fungus. So all citizens, whatever we have been using as a mask, please wash it daily or change it or dry it under the direct sunlight so no fungus grows on it. Cover your body when outdoors, especially when you are dealing with soil, wet surfaces or any decayed organic matters, and maintain personal hygiene. The treatment for this infection is surgical removal of dead or infected tissue, and antifungal therapy is available, but drugs used in this antifungal therapy are a bit expensive and short in supply. The basic cost for any antifungal injection range from 9,000 per day. As we all know, India is a developing country. This amount cannot be affordable by all the people all over the country. So it is important to stay indoors and fight against this infection. Thank you.